Cryptopostal. What's the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2021? There are 7,000 plus cryptocurrencies available in the market. But, all are not best for investments. To invest you need to choose the perfect one before investing. We spend a lot of hours to find out the 4 cryptos which are actually profitable in 2021. If you ask anyone about the cryptocurrency, everyone will call Bitcoin first. This one is the most secure and popular in the cryptocurrency world. A huge number of people are investing in Bitcoin. Litecoin is faster than Bitcoin and not need specialized hardware like Bitcoin. Charlie Lee was trying to invent a lite version of Bitcoin. He is successful and brings Litecoin to us. Bitcoin rules the cryptocurrency market, but Ethereum is also a very good option for investing. A Canadian-Russian programmer VitalikButerin was created Ethereum in the year 2011. Bitcoin Cash is increasing the size of blocks. It is allowing more transactions to be processed and improving scalability. For more details, visit our website.